Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can reset your password after you forget it on the Temu app. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open your Temu app on your Android device. Once your Temu app gets open, you will be redirected to its homepage where you need to click on the profile icon on the bottom of screen. Once you click it open, you need to now scroll down and click on the settings option. So after you are done, you need to simply click on the sign in or register option. There you can see the forgot password button where you need to simply click on. Once you do this, you will get a code sent to your email address after you click on the submit. So you need to simply type in the code which you have gotten on your email address. So after you're done filling up the credentials, all you need to do is create a stronger password for your account which you don't forget next. So after you're done, you need to click on the submit option and you are all set with a brand new password of your Temu app. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.